some of us who are working, I've discovered that I have the choice to either drink coffee to last the second half of the day or take a nap after lunch, right? Either drink coffee or what are you thinking about the choice of drinking coffee, taking a nap, and standing meditation?
Take a nap.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You would rank taking a nap higher than standing meditation or meditation?
Take a nap, then do standing meditation. But not coffee. Okay, first okay, that's an interesting topic. About 20 years ago, we started telling people to stop drinking coffee. It's not good for you. It's bad for you. No one listened to us. Okay, so we invited 100% they don't drink coffee and give them one cup of Starbucks coffee for free, and ask them a few questions. One of the questions is, how long you think your body, the sensation, you feel back to the, you drink back to the condition before you drink that cup of coffee? You know the average answer is 4 days.
4 days?
4 days. That means the 1 cup of coffee is going to take your body recover for 4 days. Okay, so if you drink 1 cup every day, you owe your body a lot of resting time. Okay, that's number one. Number two, everybody drink 1 cup of coffee in the morning. You always gonna have one symptom is you're gonna feel really tired between normal time 3 to 7 p.m. You will just in that particular 4 hours.
Yeah, that's exactly feel. I drink a couple of coffees.
Yeah, in that 4 hours you feel exhausted. Why? Because between based on Chinese medicine, between 3 to 7 p.m. is your kidney recovering time. Okay, because the coffee withdraw your kidney's energy out from kidney in the morning, you overspend it already. So your kidney become empty. So that's why your kidney needs strong resting to regain the energy back. So that's why you'll be so tired. But if you don't drink that cup of coffee, actually will not be that tired in the afternoon. Especially if you take a nap at noontime to make your heart function better. Then your kidney get support. So you won't be so tired anymore. But if you do well standing meditation, then you can even restore the energy back to the kidney even faster. Okay, so that's a real benefit for you.
Okay, can I ask, so back to that coffee question. So
Louder.
Seems to be a cup of coffee should be beneficial, like anti whatever.
Right.
But,
Imagine this, okay? If you make one part of your body working a lot faster and harder than other parts of your body, for the long run, do you think that will be helpful? You just overuse it, right? You create more stress for your brain.
Okay. Next one.
For the nap, how much time is recommended?
Ideally, it's based on what your body needs. Okay, because this is never have a fixed answer. If you're really exhausted, you definitely need a longer time to rest. If you're not that bad, for average people, maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes, it's enough. Yeah. Okay. So it really depends on your condition.
Last
but just do it. Yeah.
how about tea?
Same thing.
Green tea.
The same thing. The
You are so
different.
persistent.
the only difference is the caffeine in the coffee, it releases faster. Okay, but the caffeine in the tea releases slower, so it lasts longer time.
Wow.
Okay, so actually drinking tea is also not good. So that's why traditionally in China we call 4 kinds of food is poison. You should use the poison food: sugar, smoke, alcohol, and tea. 烟酒糖茶. Okay, so that's the 4 things 4 bad habits you should not have. Because in China we don't have coffee before, right?